Okay, we are live now. I hope you all are able to see me. Thank you all for joining this Saturday. Right, if you are able to see me, just say a hi on the chat. People on LinkedIn, if you are with me, just say hi, and then we will start the session. Able to see? Okay, so many people are here. Okay, so many people are here with us. Vishal, Gokul, hi all. Hi Sneha, hi. Okay, great. Able to see? Yes, able to see, guys. Everyone, people on LinkedIn. What about you all? If you are there, uh, please let me know. And today's session will be a blast, guys. Definitely, I am telling, right. It's one of the very good session where you all will get the real time automations. I will show the automations with hands on. I will take the server and complete the hands on in front of you, and we will troubleshoot the issues which we are getting in that hands on. Okay. And also, one more thing, we will do the Python automation. I will show you what you need to clear interviews. Clear, everyone? Okay, great. People on LinkedIn are here. Tanzania. Okay, great. Rauko Victor, thanks for joining. Yes, Joe should be always high. If you are with Singam, Joe should be always high, and that's how you learn. And I empower you with the knowledge that I have. Okay, with that said, let's start the class. And this class is very crisp, very clear, and going to be very informative going ahead. So don't leave the class. And if you know anyone who is trying to join, please help them to join, right? And one more thing, so give me one more minute so that I just check all are ready. Everything is set from my end. Okay. Okay, great, done. So let's start with the today class. Okay, Philippines. Okay, great, Jimboy. Balan, great. Hey, yes. Nice to see everyone. So let me set the agenda first. Let me share the screen. Okay, and we will start the session in next 1 minute. I will not waste time. Okay, very important session this is going to be. All real-time scenarios. I will do the hands-on of you, and we will be able to see all those things. Okay. Very important things are lined up for you, so don't leave the class, right? Okay, 1 second. Okay, so it's done. Done. Okay, great. So let's start the class. I will share the screen, and then we will see like what are the things that is there. And before that, I want to see my community once. So let's check. All the things are good. Everything is good. Okay. Just 1 second, guys. I will set the agenda for you all. Okay, let me share my screen. I will set the agenda for you all. 98 people are here. That's really good. Okay, how is the Josh? How is the Josh, guys? Before we start the class, how is the Josh? Hi, Akshat. Hi, everyone. Hello. Okay, how is the Josh? Josh should be high. Okay, because it is very one of the important topic which you are going to get today. Okay, Josh should be always high. And let's see like what are the things. Okay, hi, very high, Josh. Okay. So let me set people on LinkedIn. Please be with me. Okay. So let me set the agenda for today's class. This class, I am again telling, very crisp and very clear things are there. Okay. And very important things are there for you lined up. So agenda, I will set. Okay. I will take the agenda and will set the agenda for you. Okay. First, shell scripting automation we will start. Okay. And you all should know, guys, you all know that I have cracked Adobe in the last 2 months. I've cracked Adobe, Rubrik, Simpress, Zoom, your EPAM, Zeta, right? And many other companies, like 10 plus companies I have cracked. And from that company experience, I am framing these questions. Whatever you see today, I'll be sharing my interview questions. Okay. Yes. Great, Asanat. Thanks. Okay. So all those questions will be that only. So keep making notes. And guys, please have your notebook with you, right? Without notebook, I would not recommend you all to sit basically idle. Just have your notebook and write everything point by point, catch everything, whatever you get from the class. Okay? So let me start. All these scenarios will be from Adobe, okay, Zoom, Rubrik, okay, your Zeta, right? All these companies I have cracked in last 2 months. All those questions I have kept here. Okay? What else? EPAM, right? Simpress, right? So all those, this automation, whatever you see, all those automation are based on my experience, which have been asked to me in the last 2 months. Clear? Now, very much clear. I hope you are. Now, what are the scenarios that we are going to cover? Very much important. I will do the hands-on today. Hands-on plus troubleshooting, the class will be, okay? Hands-on plus troubleshooting. And what is the hands-on you will get today? You will get shell automation and your Python automation. Okay? Those two things, and everything is based on my experience of companies getting cracked by me in last 2 months. I hope you are clear. Everyone is clear with what we are going to achieve in today's class. Where are you all? Yes, all of you clear with the agenda that I have set today? Guys, all of you clear? Yes, no? Bhai log, behan log, sun rahe ho, able to hear me, see me? Okay, all of you are with me? Is that comments got blocked? What else? Are you all with me? Guys? Yes, no? Okay, yes, it's great, great, okay, great. Okay, nice. Let's start the class. I will start with the first thing, and people on LinkedIn, please be active, guys. If you are active, then only I will be able to generate that energy, right? If you are dull, if you are silent in the class, the energy sharing is a little bit different, right? Okay, so if you show the Josh, I'll be sharing that kind of content itself. Okay, so let me start the class. I will be having always my PPT with you, right? So today's class is all about your shell scripting and Python scripting with DevOps troubleshooting, guys. Okay, now let's start with your first automation. Very important, very crisp, and slowly we will go with the topics that I clear. Okay, now very straightforward thing, guys. I would like to tell you, I am giving you job content. Okay, I am giving you the job ready content, right? Giving you the job ready content, right? Okay, so it means that I will troubleshoot on the real-time questions that I got in the interviews. Okay, and I will tell, like, if something like this question comes, you have to use A plus B plus C, something like code. Okay, and I will do the hands-on by taking one server. Clear, everyone? Guys, I hope you're clear. So let's start with the first automation. Okay, let's see like what is there for you to cover in the shell scripting. Now, before moving ahead into the shell scripting, let me tell you what you need actually to start with the shell scripting. Let's talk about basics a little bit of time. Okay, in shell scripting, few of the important things are there, guys, which every DevOps engineer, every SRE and DevOps engineers need to know. Every engineer needs to know that you are going to get in the interview. Okay, what you are going to get in the interview? Very simple, guys. In shell scripting, you must need to know some basic commands like SED, your AWK, your grep. I will tell what each of this is doing. Grep, your functions, right? Shell scripting functions, shell functions, and your Linux commands. Okay, and your disk related automations, your log automations. Okay, log automations. Okay, and many more things. So in this class, I will show you everything what you need to clear an interview with this next 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Okay, yes. So I might not be see your comments, right? But yeah, I can see your comments. Sorry, I can see your comments on my phone. So let's start the first automation. But before that, we need to have something called your AWS account. Okay, because we are using AWS. If you don't have AWS, any Linux box, you can take it. All of you clear? Now let's start with the class. I will take the Linux CentOS box. Okay, all of you can create anything. So let's launch the instance. Okay, so today is the project 3 which we are going. So I will keep the project 3. Okay, I will take the Amazon Linux, right? And Amazon Linux AMI. This all things we have done in the first class. If you see in the last class, we have done everything. And select no need to keep here, and you create your instance. All of you remember we have done these things, guys? All of you remember we have done these things? Yes or no? Guys, all of you clear? We have done all these things. So I will just make sure that you are with me. Okay, so what I will do, I have already, let's take like I have already created a Linux instance. So I will say connect instance, connect the instance, right? And let's start with the first automation. Let's see like what are the things you need to know. Okay, so let's let it get connected, and I will create one directory, and we will do all the things. Now guys, which user I have logged in here? All of you see, this is EC2 user. So anytime when you are moving inside the system, you need to be the root user. Root is the utmost powerful user on the Linux system. Okay, so to move in the root, you need to type the command sudo su. Sudo su is the command which will convert your normal ordinary user into the powerful root user. Okay, so once you have gone into this, just go to cd or make directory mkdir, right? Automation. Okay, in this directory we will do all the automations of today's class. Clear everyone? Guys, clear? So let's see like how this automations are done. Now let's take the first automation of today's class. I will tell what you need to know. Okay, now first thing is very much important. Okay, let's start with the functions, guys. Okay, let's start with functions, right? Very much important these are. Okay, suppose you want to write some code in shell scripting. See, basic code anyone can write, correct na? Basic code, you, me, 5 years what called kid, right? Or 10 years school going kid, or let's say 20 years college going kid, anyone can write the basic code. Okay, now in today's class you will get advanced scripting, which I will do troubleshooting also. Okay, advanced scripting plus troubleshooting. Clear everyone? So let's start with the functions, guys. Functions in shell scripting. Functions in shell scripting, very much important. Now what are functions? Even in Python also the functions are there, but today we will talk about shell scripting functions. Okay, great. Now functions are very much important to write any code. Let's take, I write a code called a plus b equal to c. Let's think like this, right? In shell, to write such kind of code, you create a function. Okay, you create a function, and this function is called somewhere at the end, and this is how your code gets starts. Your code. Okay, just like that, you call something like method called YouTube. Okay, YouTube, this is the method. You write some piece of code a plus b equal to c, and you call this function at the end of the file. Okay, and you save this file. All of you clear with the functions? Functions are nothing but anything which has the curly braces. Those are functions in the shell scripting. If you are liking the video on YouTube, please like the video. We will go ahead with more Josh, guys. Many things are there, right? I have kept so many things, so let's see how I am going to cover. Okay, please like the video, and the like target for this video is 100+ likes on YouTube. Okay, now when you are starting this functions, this is just the simple function which you need to do. Now let me take you to the GitHub. All of you should be aware that we are running a GitHub, right, with the organization called Hey DevOps, right? If you see, this is the GitHub link. Okay, this is the GitHub link where you can see all our last 2 weeks, last 1 week projects, and this is the today's project which we will be going to see. Now the first project is your shell functions. Now if you see here on the script, right, shell script automation 1, shell functions, I will be doing the hands-on. All of you see with me. Now let's go and see the code. Okay, all of you see here, first functions are there. Let me copy this code. All of you see, I'm copying this code. I will start with basics, and you know there are advanced code here. List operation, disk utilization, monitoring, Python automations, everything is here, guys. Okay, so let me take you all to the first automation of today's class, Okay, so the first automation of today's class is VIM, functions, functions.sh. Now all of you should remember that sh is the keyword to call a file a shell file. Okay, now if I enter it, shift I is the command to work on the shell script. Okay, all of you see here, what is the name? All of you guys, when I'm talking something, please be active and respond back to me. What are you seeing here, all of you? What are you seeing here, guys? Functions.sh, right? Very simple. Now, in order to type something on the screen, you need to enter shift plus I. See, when I hit shift plus I, the function has moved into the insert statement, and just say Control V, your code will be getting added. All of you are able to see, guys? Guys, this is our first automation. All of you are able to see? Yes? People on LinkedIn, are you able to get me what I am talking about? Okay? The first step, you need to have your server and you need to have your code ready. Okay? All of you clear? Yes? Great. Nice. Now, all of you see here, guys, this is the command. Okay, I will first copy this. I will tell what each step is doing. Then we will see the hands-on. Okay? Yeah. So all of you see here, guys, all of you see here. Very important. No, nothing as there. Siddhartha, good, you have joined. Now see, all of you, guys, this is the calling function. Calling, what do you call? Calling a script. Okay, calling a script and providing the binaries, the access of shell. Okay? Now, what I have told you is, in Linux, there are many directories, guys. Shebang. Yes, this is Shebang. Now, all of you see, in Linux, there are many directories: OPT directory, bin directory, right? And the media directory, right? And etc directory, logs directory, var directory, right? Now, you see, to execute the shell script, you need to write this. Okay, this is called from the bin directory. Inside the bin directory, right? Inside the bin directory, you will have a shell binary, a shell software. You can think like this. All the software in the Linux system is installed in this bin directory. Okay, I will write it here. All softwares are installed in bin directory. Okay, so it means that we are accessing all the bash related things, all the shebang related things on this code. Clear, everyone? Guys, all of you clear what we have discussed or what we are discussing? Clear? Now, that is one of the important question to execute the shell script, or else in simpler terms, to execute the shell script. Okay, you need to know this one, bin/bash. Okay, very much important. Now, all of you see here, I will just maybe write it like this, or I will copy again, because I have written so many things, I don't want to give it. I will be sharing notes also this time. Okay, okay, all of you see, very simple script. Okay, now this is done. Now, what is this, guys? What is this? What is this? This is the function. Okay, function or method or anything. Okay, now you see what we are doing actually. Okay, we are trying to add some parameters. Yes. Okay, now you see, all of you, when the function f1 is there, function f1, this is the function or method, and this is the method name. Method name. Here you can write like Praveen, okay, or who else, Himanshu, right? Any name you can give beyond this brackets, right? Beside this brackets. Okay, now you see echo is a shell function to print the output. Okay, echo is a shell function to print, or shell method to print the output. Now what we are trying to do, echo, hello from dollar function name. Okay, just keep it like this. Where now in Linux or in shell scripting, when you say var equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is just like variable assignment. All of you clear? Where you see var, this is variable assignment. Okay guys, clear everyone? This is variable assignment. Now you see there is function 2. So here in my code, how many functions are there, guys? All of you type in the chat. People on LinkedIn, please respond. I want you all to be active because this is just the basics. Once you go ahead, you will see many complex things. So you need to understand what we are trying to do. Clear everyone? Guys, how many functions are there in this? First function is this one and second function is this one. Clear? Very beautiful concept, I will tell you now. All of you see here, guys, in the function 1, what we are doing? Just printing and assigning to variable. Correct? In the first function. But in the second function, what we are doing, guys? P1 and P2, there are two variables where the variables are taking $1 and $2. Now, what is this $1 and $2? Let me be very honest with you. Function has a parameters. Now, all of you see here, this function 2 is called in the code somewhere. If you see, yes, this function 2 is called in the code itself. Yes or no? Guys, are you able to see? This function 2 is called on the code. Okay. So when you are giving some data to the function, let's take, I am calling like F2, 1 and 2. Okay. And I'm giving like this. So what does this mean? In simpler, I will tell you simple terms. I am passing this method two variables, okay, two inputs. Okay, inputs where this one will sit in this place and this two will sit in this place. So in simple terms, what I'm going to tell is when you call a function, okay, all of you see here, P1 equal to $1, P2 equal to $2. This was our code, right? So when I'm calling F2, 1 and 2, right, from the terminal, all the 1 and 2 will be substituted here. Okay. So basically what does this means? These are inline arguments. Okay. Inline arguments and temporary variables. Whenever there is a $, it means temporary variables. Only during the execution of the script, it will store, and after that it will be removed. Now clear everyone? What have you learned from this concept? Guys, are you understanding, guys? दिमाग में कुछ जा रहा है कि नहीं? Please बताओ in comment section. अगर नहीं जा रहा है तो मैं दोबारा repeat कर दूंगा. Very simple concept. एक function, we have a function. In that there are two variables. Okay. And we are trying to do some operations in the below code. And when I'm calling the function, I am passing two input variables, 1 and 2, and those two are substituted here. So guys, tell me one thing. I will ask one simple question. F2, 1 2 3, I am passing three variables. Okay. Now if I want to set the third variable, what I need to do? Can you all tell me? Can you all type? If I want to set the third variable, what I need to do in the code? Can you all do this? Can you all tell me, please? Can you all tell me? Can you all tell me if I want to send the third variable, what I need to do? Guys, okay, define $3, P3 equal to $3. Yes or no? Very simple. Okay? So these are called variables assignment. Beautiful explanation now. Very beautiful things. Add one more variables, right? People on LinkedIn? Guys, people on LinkedIn, are you with me? People on LinkedIn? Great. Henry is telling P3 equal to $3, right? P3 equal to $3. Now, great. Okay? Now, all of you see, we have done this. Now, let's see one more time the code. Okay? I will copy this entire code one more time. I will paste it here for your understanding. Now, let's assume that I am just seeing from here the code. Okay? Now, all of you tell me there is a variable mySum where it is calling the function 2 and performing some of the two inputs. Correct? Yes or no? So let's see how this is happening. Okay, all of you see here, I will execute the code now in the server. So all of you see, first time when I am running, I am getting like this F2 1,2. It means the output is something like this. So let's see. In order to run any shell file, you can run in two ways. Okay, all of you, run shell script in two ways. Okay, one is like this, two bash sh. Okay, there are two ways to run the file. Now let's see the first function, functions.sh. Okay, before doing anything, give the function file the access to execute. Okay, chmod plus x in Linux is something you are giving the permissions. I will write it here so that you make notes. Chmod is change or modify the permissions, right? X is full permission to this script. Clear, everyone? Guys, clear? Clear, everyone? Yes. Now you see, when I'm giving this, right, the ls-lrta will have the full access. See, rwx, x is added. It means full access to the file. Now, all of you see here, I will execute the function. Let's see the output. Okay, now what is the output here? All of you see, I will again clear the screen. What is the output of this function, guys? My sum is 3 and 8. So how we got this 3 and 8? So all of you see here, first one was 1 and 2. So when this function sends here, 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay. And the second function is 10 and minus 2. So 10 minus 2 is what? 8. Okay. Clear? Clear, everyone? Suppose in this code, I want to send one more. Okay, I want to send one more parameter. Okay, all of you see here, 1 to 5 I want to send. Okay, just I will change in front of you. Let's see what will happen. And 2, 10 minus 2, 5. And what you need to do, you need to assign the variable p3 equal to $3, and you need to add it here. Okay. This is output. This is here you can add it plus $p3. Now all of you see here, when you are calling some value from the variable, you need to assign like this. Okay, $p3 means this value is sitting here. Okay, so this value sits here and this p1 value is sitting here. Okay, clear, everyone? So let's see how this is working. Now what will be the value if I run this? Okay, 8 and 13. Okay, clear, everyone? Guys, are you all clear what we are discussing? There are complex things also. Next. Okay. Also add input while calling function. Okay. Oh, okay. You are not able to see. Okay. I will. Yeah. Done. Guys, clear? All of you? Great. Shall we move to the next automation where we will see disk utilization report? Now, one of the important thing. All of you clear, guys? Give a yes. All of you. Now, 130 people are live in the class. If you give at least 30 yes, I will move forward, both on LinkedIn and YouTube. Give a 30 yes. Now you will see disk utilization report, the monitoring examples, and all those things are stuffed up here. Clear? Shall we move to the next thing? All of you? Great. Give a yes. All of you people on LinkedIn, if you are listening, please give a yes. Very much clear. Great. Yes. Great. Okay. If Amanjit, if we give 777 permission, the full access for that particular user will be there to that file. Okay. Now all of you see the next. What is the next task? Okay. Now let's see automation 2. Okay. So first automation I have kept a little bit small. Okay. So that you understand. Now second automation is disk utilization monitoring. All of you see here, I will do the hands-on for this also. Guys, clear? Disk. Now, all of you see, guys, your laptop is a Linux box. Your laptop is a Linux box. Correct? Correct? Yes, Amulya, Shebang is definitely 100% you need to give. Okay? All of you see here, your laptop has a hard disk. Yes, your laptop has a hard disk. Now, similarly, Linux have various disks attached to it. Yes, Linux has various disks which are attached to it. Okay? Okay. Now, all of you see, when you have the hard disk with you and your hard disks get filled, what you do in general? Guys, when your hard disk get full, what you do? What you do? When the hard disk get full, what you do? You substitute the hard disk or you add one more hard disk. Correct? Add more storage. Add more storage, correct? Yes. Correct. Or one more thing, what you do? Delete files, delete folders. Correct? Now, deleting is easy, but monitoring your disks are very much important. Now, in today automation 2, you will see disk utilization monitoring, and I will detach each command and show you the output. Guys, beautiful automation, 100% resume based automation. Okay? Now, all of you see here. Now, those who have not completed previous 2 projects, please complete this. All the code is here only. Okay, so today we are doing this. Okay, now disk utilization.sh. First, I will take small bits and pieces. Okay, I will take small bits and pieces and I will show you the code. All of you see here. All of you see here. In Python, in shell, okay, I will take bits and pieces and I will show you. Okay. 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 First bit of code I will take. All of you see here. Now, all of you see here, guys. Very important concept. Very important concept. Okay. Now I will remove the. Okay, 1 second. I will remove the unwanted lines. Where is that? Okay, all of you see, I will remove the unwanted lines. Okay, the first part I am breaking down, guys. All of you see the part 1 in the automation 2. Okay, I am breaking down. All of you see here, I will do the hands-on also on this. Guys, don't write anything. All of you see here. All of you see here. Very beautiful concept. Now, suppose example, okay, my disk utilization is more than 30%. Then I am asking this script to send a notification. Clear? Guys, clear everyone? So now, first of all, you all see, as of now, my manager told me that, hey, Praveen, if the disk utilization is more than 30%, then you send an email or you send a notification. Okay? So in the part 1 of code, what I am trying to do, all of you see here. All of you see here. Yes. All of you see here. Now, in Linux, if else condition is very much important. Okay? Now, all of you see here, in Linux, when you write an if else, you write like this. If, okay, then else, and phi. All of you write it in your notebook. This is the standard to write the if-else condition in Linux. If, then, else, phi. All of you write it down, then we will move forward. All of you write it down, guys. Written, all of you? Yes? Clear? If, then, else, phi. लिख लिए? Shall I wait for some time? Yes, I will do hands-on. All today's examples are hands-on. Okay, I will write it everything. Okay, all of you write in your notes. We will do hands-on also. Guys, today all tasks I will do hands-on. All tasks hands-on. Okay? No explanation, only hands-on. Okay, all of you have written if, then, else, phi. For if condition, if else condition in Linux, in shell. Very important. All of you have written? All of you have written? Bhai log, behan log? Clear? ठीक है, चलो. We will start. ठीक है? Now all of you see here. Great. Now all of you see here, when you are giving this in the Linux and this, very important. Okay? When we type the condition, okay, what will happen? We will see. Okay? This is the conditional statement in Linux. Conditional statement. Okay? All of you. Now when the conditional statement happens, what you will do? So all of you see here in Linux, when you use the dollar value or when you use dollar hash value, there are few things which this value store. Okay? Now you see the dollar you all saw, $1 was storing one value, $2 was storing in the previous automation. Now you need to see if the dollar hash, right? Dollar hash is something which stores the previous command's output. Okay? Dollar hash is something which stores the previous command's output. Now all of you see here, if the previous command output is 30, right? All of you are getting what is dollar hash, right? Dollar hash here is 30. Okay? What we are trying to do, if this is not passed, okay, what we are trying to do, if this is not passed, then using the default value of threshold. Now what we are trying to do now, all of you see here, my automation script is, the file name is disk file.sh and I am passing some value here. All of you see here. Okay, I will write it again because so many things I have written. I will explain you in a clear terms. Okay, 1 second. Now all of you see here. Now this file is stored in df.sh. Okay. Now what is this means is, it will check whether I have given some input to this file or not. I will show you the hands-on also. Yes, positional parameter and input argument in the file. Suppose I write like df.sh 50. Okay. This value will come and sit here. Guys, clear everyone? Clear? If I write like input, I give df.sh 100, this value will be sitting here. Clear everyone? Guys, now in Linux with if condition, you have these parameters LE, GT, GE. What is LE? Less than or equal to. Less than or equal. GT means greater than. GE means greater than, equal. Here LGE means, L means less, G means greater, E means equals. Clear everyone? Right? So what I am telling now, if the input parameter 50 is less than or equal to 0, right? then what I am doing, I am setting this default value as my variable %. Okay, all of you clear? I will show you the hands-on also. Now else when user is not passing anything, okay, or user is passing some, when user is not passing anything, this is the command execution. If user passes 50, what it is checking, you see, else it will come into the regex. Now beautifully I will explain you regex. Okay, how you can learn regex is, guys, see, regex has a parameter search pattern. Okay, so all of you can type like this, regex pattern match. Okay, match, and the first URL which will open here, what you can do is, there is a regex pattern match, right? So you see, this is the regex pattern match. Okay, now all of you see here, what does this mean? All of you see here, it means that any value which is between 0 to 9, and the second parameter is also 0 to 9, anything after that. Okay, so what we are passing here, 30, okay, 50, okay, 100, okay, okay, it will not take A, B, C. Why? Because in the regex pattern I am not passing. Okay, I'm not passing like that. Okay, clear everyone? I am not passing A, B, C, right? What I am passing here, I am passing a number. Okay, number here. Now all of you see, suppose I type here A and B, and here small a and maybe let's take Z, and here A to Z. Okay, now what we are trying to do, capital A to Z and small a to Z. What we are trying to do, let's think like this. I can give this, I can give this, and I can give anything like this. Okay, but I cannot pass numbers in the regex. Now how will you pattern match? All of you see here, when I type ABC, it is not blue color, guys, correct? But when I am typing 20, is it turning into blue color? Guys, everyone see here, when I am typing ABC, it's not in blue color. It means pattern is matching with 20. Yes or no? Okay, clear everyone? Yes. Okay, Shiva, why I have told $hash is matching to the number of argument? Because $hash is something which will tell whether it has been success or not. Okay, the previous command, it will take the data. Okay, now that is where the previous command, if success, then only it will go inside, right? Correct. So that's why I have told like that, so that people understand in a clear way. Okay, now you see, if I change this regex to A and Z, is my 20 matching? No, right? My ABC is matching now. Clear everyone? Guys, are you able to see what I am talking about? How you can find the regex patterns? Any questions here? Any questions? Suppose I change here 0 and 9. Okay, my ABC will not match, my 20 will match. Okay, so what in this command we are doing is, if $1, now what is $1 again? Now let me tell you, here the 50 is something like the positional value. Okay, $hash is something I can tell like in simpler terms, the previous command output. Okay, previous command output. Okay, and $1 is the input parameter. Let's consider in a simple way. Okay, I will write again. All of you see here. Okay, 1 second. I will copy from the code here. Okay, this will be the final explanation which we are going to do. Okay, now $hash. Okay, I will remove this also, because again you will tell that you are not clear. Okay, all of you see here, this one is nothing but the previous value success or failure command. Okay, the previous value success or failure. Okay, now if the previous value is not 1, okay, then it will go inside the loop. If the previous value is less than 1, right, or equal to 0, it will come here. Okay. Now you see what we are trying to do. I am trying like df.sh 50. It will come here and it will check if $1 means 50 is matching this regex or not. Okay. It means that yes, 50 is matching. Then what I'm doing, % equal to 50. If there is no input value or no previous command value, then automatically the percentage is set to 30. Clear, everyone? Shall we execute the script once? Now all of you see I have divided like disk.sh. Okay, shift I have added this. Let's see how it behaves. Okay, without the parameter and with the parameter, chmod plus x disk.sh. Okay, all of you see here, clear the screen. Okay, now what I am typing, disk. All of you see here, first I am not giving any value here. So what will be the output? Using the default threshold value, where it is coming, vim disk.sh. All of you see here, the print option is there, right? Using the default threshold value. Okay. Now if you see, right, see, because we have not passed any input, okay, the percentage 30 is taken. So let me do a little bit enhancement here so that you understand what we have done actually. So because we have not passed any value, it is coming inside the first if condition. See here. Okay, what is that? Print f $%. Okay. Okay. So now let's see what is the output you will get it. Okay, 1 second. Why it is not coming? All of you, 1 second. To check the previous command. Yes. Okay, 30 has come here. Are you able to see, guys, everyone? All of you see 30 has come here in the down. Clear? Okay, I missed that. Sorry. 30 has come. Now all of you see, suppose I pass disk.sh 50. What should be the value, guys? It should give nothing to me. Okay? All of you see, I will add a print statement in the down also so that you see, okay, what is the output it is giving. I will add the same print statement in the down. Okay? Now all of you see here, did it give 50 here? It means when you are not passing anything, the default parameter is set to 30. Okay. When you are passing the input in the file, the default parameter is taken by the parameter value, the file which you are passing. Clear? I will make it big. Clear, everyone? Clear, guys? Everyone? Yes. Shall we move to the part 2 of automation 2? All of you clear? Now let's go to the part 2 of automation 2. Let's see like what are the next things are there. So all of you see here, once I come down, there is a command like this. All of you see here, till here I will take it. Okay, till here I will take it. I will explain first and I will then do the hands-on. All of you see, df is disk free. Okay, in Linux, df is disk free. All of you clear? df is disk free. ph is postfix human readable format. Human readable format. Clear? grep is nothing but whatever the data which is coming from this command, we are passing to this command to format. Guys, shall I explain again once more time? All of you? Shall I explain one more time? People on LinkedIn? Shall I explain one more time? Yes? Swapna? Yeah? Anyone want me to explain one more time? Okay, great. Explain. Okay, chalo. I will explain one more time. Now, all of you see here, what is DF? All of you write down in your notes. Make notes in the class. Very much important. Make notes. All of you see here. I will tell you. Don't worry, Amulya. I will tell you. DF-PH. DF is disk free. Disk free. Okay? PH is postfix. H means human readable format. Okay? Clear? It means whatever the conversion of the size is happening, that should be in the human readable format, MB, GB and everything. And all of you see here, when I type this command, what will happen? Let's see on the screen. All of you see on my system, what will happen? All of you see here, def-ph. What are the file systems I am getting? This much. What is the size of each file system? 8 GB. See, this is the EBS volume of AWS. Clear, everyone? So what we are trying to do is, and how much is used, guys, in this? 1.6 GB. How much is available? 6.5 GB is available. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? When I type this, I am getting all the file systems data, all the file systems data on the Linux system. Okay? Everyone able to understand? Clear? Guys? Yes? Now, all of you see here. Now, if I use this, what will be the command? Let's see. All of you see my screen, guys, please. I will just show you. def-ph, okay, grep. Okay, so what I'm doing, filtering the data. Now, this much data I have got, but I only need the data of this files. Okay, this files, which are EBS volumes of AWS. So let's do this. All of you see, how many entries we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So guys, out of 7 entries, we got only 2 entries, which are my AWS EBS volumes. All are clear with this? grep is nothing but filtering the data. Whatever the data is generated here, we are sending here. Guys, clear? Everyone, LinkedIn भाई लोग बहन लोग आप लोग ठीक हो? मतलब, are you understanding what we are talking about? Very important automation, guys. I am sure it will be asked in your interview. If you are liking till now, please like the video. Let's see how many likes are there. Okay, let's see. I don't know how many likes are there on this YouTube video. Okay, 61, make it under 100, guys. Okay, Umesh, when I do hands-on, you will be clear. Okay? -v is basically, this is basically to filter out some data, additional arguments we are passing. Okay? This is regex. You all saw, this is regex, means matching pattern. Matching pattern. Okay? This is matching pattern. Okay? Now, in AWS, one more important thing is there, right? AWK. Okay, AWK is one more important thing where you do some printing of the output, printing of output from one command to other command. Clear, everyone? How you do the printing? So now, what is the output here, guys, in our this one system? These two, right? Correct? Now, from this, all of you see, guys, one beautiful concept here is, I have added here, na? So all of you see, I am asking to print what? $5 and $1. Okay? So let's execute this first. Let me show you what is the output here. Okay, what is the output here? $5 and $1. What is the output? 20%, 13%, and the disk names. Correct? Correct? Correct, everyone? Now, how the AWK is printing, all of you see, AWK, when we say print $5 and $1, the output of this goes to the input to this command. So here, all of you see, in Linux, background, it is $1. Okay? In background, this is $2. Let's assume this as a table, guys. Okay? ठीक है. Now what is the things? $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. Clear everyone? Now $5 is what? All of you see here, the disk usage, and $1 is this. Yes or no? Guys, are you all clear with this command? Clear guys? सब समझ में आ रहा है AWK क्या करता है? All of you write down in your notes. This is used for printing the data. Clear everyone? Great, awesome. Now all of you see here, once we have done that, what is the next things there? Okay, 1 second. I will remove this script file and I will create one more script file here. Okay, now I will execute the entire code. Okay, once. Okay, there is this also. Now what I am trying to do, let's take this part, guys. Okay, let's take this part. All of you see here. Now very important. Now what we got from here, the output 20 and let's take 100%. Yes or no guys? Guys, yes or no? भाई लोग मतलब यार आप लोग respond ही नहीं कर रहे हो. Respond. From here what is the output we got? This and this percentage we got as output. Correct? Correct? Yes or no? Great. Now what I am doing, that I am sending into the while command. Okay? Now while has a syntax while do done. This is the syntax of while loop in Linux. Okay? While read data. Okay, so what I am doing here is I am sending each line as a data here, and you see echo $data. Okay, AWK print 1. So here 20% is coming. Okay, here 20% is coming, and what we are doing, SED is one more important command to manipulate variables. Manipulate variables, very beautiful concept. So you see 20%, you see SED, substitute. S is substitute. G is global. Okay, it means whatever the data is coming here, it is replacing percentage with no space. Okay, stream editor. Okay, replace data. So what is the final output in the used guys here? Is it 20? Yes or no? You want me to do this hands-on? So let's do this. If you want me to execute the single script, let me do that for your all understanding. The beautiful way I will do the hands-on now. See all of you. All of you see here. Okay. So in $data, I will say data equal to 20%. Okay. All of you see data equal to 20%. And when I use this, and when I say echo $, what is that? Data. Guys, tell me what is the output you will get it. All of you on the chat, please. What is the output you will get it? What is the output you will get it, guys? All of you, please. What is the output you are going to get from this command? Let me hit this. Okay, why percentage again coming? Echo $data. Did I miss anything? 20 it should come. Wait, I missed something. Oh, not data. Okay, sorry guys. Used. It should be used. Now 20 came because I am sending here. Okay, used. Okay. Now clear with this command also. Now let's see what I am doing. If used is greater than equal to percentage. Now what was our percentage? 50 in the input. Now used is what? 20. Let me know if this is valid or not. This is not valid, na? This is not valid. So my manager is telling that if the used percentage is greater than 50, then only I should get a notification. Yes or no? How many of you say yes or no? Are you clear with this automation? Guys, everyone? Everyone? What about others? If you are clear, please give the smileys. Guys, people on LinkedIn, I don't know how many people are there on LinkedIn watching live. But yeah, can you please let me know if you have understood each line by line? I am just removing everything and explaining you the best. Okay? People on LinkedIn, are you getting what we are talking about? Yes? Great, great, great. Nice. Nice. Okay, great. So let's see what other things you will have. Please give the smileys. People on YouTube, smiley do yaar. Matlab, or yaar, please make the video 100 likes na at least. Yes, mentor. Okay, great. Okay, nice. Why I am not getting YouTube smileys? Okay. My system is taking time to load. Understood? Understood? Great. Great. Nice. Okay. Great. Nice. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's see the complete script at once. Okay. So now let's complete the script at once. All of you see here. I will clear the screen. rmdisk.sh. I will create a new script. vimdisk.sh. Okay, it is there. So let me remove rm vimdisk.sh. Okay. Now all of you see here, I have copied the entire code. Okay, why it is like this? Okay, maybe I copied it wrong way. So let me do one thing. Oh, okay, 1 second. I will create the new shell script. Let's see, it should be good. Paste string. Okay, it is still there. Okay, 1 second. What I will do is I will close this EC2 instance. 1 second, don't worry. We will do the hands-on now. Okay, I will again relog in into the instance of EC2. I will make the screen a little bit small for your convenience. Connect. Okay, great. Sudo su cd app folder. Which was the folder, guys? ls. Automation folder. Clear the screen. Now vim utilize. Okay, .sh. Shift I and Control V. Now it is working fine. So all of you see here, chmod plus x utilize.sh. This is our ritual which we follow. Okay, utilize.sh, and let's run, right, 13% of the utilization. Okay, as of now, how much is my percentage? df-h. How much is my percentage here? 20% is there and 13% is there. So let's do one thing. Let's give something like this. Okay. /utilize.sh 10%. Okay. Now all of you see, when my manager has set, okay, I will give like this. I will show you what is the output. All of you see here. Okay, what is the output, guys? When my manager is telling that my disk should not go 10% below. Okay, my disk should not go 10% below, but how much percentage I am getting? 20 and 13 in both the disks. So it is sending me a warning message. And how it is printing the warning message? If you see in the code, there is a output. Okay, print warning. Okay, print warning the partition $p $used. Understood? Now there are two values here, 20 and 13. That is why two loops are here. Clear, everyone? Guys, clear? Now one more thing I will show you. Suppose I make the threshold value from my manager as 100. Let's see what is the output. Okay. Okay. Now you see threshold is 100. That's it. Nothing else. Or else we can do one thing. We can put the thing like this. Okay. vim utilize .sh. So what I will do now? I will write here a print statement, or I will write here only. What it is doing? It is doing here. So I will do threshold. Okay, all of you see here. I will change like this. There are no disks running with more usage than. Okay, clear? All of you see. Now the output you see. You got the output when I am giving 100, but my actual utilization is 20 and 13. So it means my manager is happy. My task is also happy. My disks are happy. Everyone is smiling. So it means there are no disks running with more usage greater than 100%. But when I give 10, it is giving me the warning. Are you clear with this example? Guys, are you clear? Guys, are you clear, everyone? Now, those who are thinking ki yaar kya ho raha hai? Okay, every code. Okay, let me put this code in the GitHub, which I have changed. Okay, I have changed this line only. Now I will change this line only. Okay, okay, for everyone, I will change this line so that you understand what are the changes it is doing. Okay, everyone needs to practice after going home. Okay. Okay, done. Okay, I have saved it also. Commit changes. Commit. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone, guys? Okay, clear, everyone? Shall we go to the third automation? Guys, shall we go to the third automation? Yes. Great. Nice. So all of you see here, in this third automation, we have something unique to do. Okay. Now there is a third automation. Let's see the PPT. Disk utilization is completed. Now all of you see shell script automation, TCP count read. Okay. Now what is TCP? Okay. Very important. TCP is a protocol like your HTTP, HTTPS. Okay. Now all of you see here, this TCP or this HTTP or this HTTPS, all are, or UDP, all are protocols. Protocols. Your transfer of data on internet happens in this way. Clear? Clear, everyone? Yes, Mamta, that is what our automation was, na? 10 is the threshold. My manager said that. Okay, I will write it. Why are you confused? 10. This is threshold which my manager set. Okay. And what is the task? He is asking if any disk is less than 10%, right? Then you give warning. Okay, sorry. More than 10%, then you give warning. More than 10% utilization, then you give warning. Yes, 100 means what is happening? 100 is I gave the input. but actual disks are running at 10 and 13%. So that is the difference. Okay, clear? Now let's move to the TCP count. Okay, now all of you see, before moving to the TCP count, have you understood what are the type of protocols we have? Guys, what are the type of protocols we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and many other are there. Okay. So guys, one more thing, right? Just let me introduce one more thing here, right? So all of you are knowing that we are starting the Prime Batch 5.0, right? Starting from November 4th. Okay. So let me tell you about something here. So this website is purely designed for DevOps engineers, and very thought process has been put in here, guys. And you know what? My batch 4.0 students have cracked jobs in various companies, and the highest package is 36 LPA. Now let me show you my LinkedIn, where that girl is commenting on the screen, right? On screen, if you see, all of you, where is the last post which I have done? So let me show you that girl's thing also. Okay, where you will see that how genuine our work is. See guys, Rashmi Kumari, Praveen Singampalli, this is none other than me. And to those who are looking to learn and grab the opportunity, please join his course, which is Gems for Freshers, non-IT to switch the domain. It's totally real-time projects, interview-based course, and on top of the session, you need to prepare, you additionally gain knowledge. Praveen Singampalli can talk for 3 hours. Are you seeing? Right? So everyone congratulated her, and she's terrible, guys. She's awesome, right? And she was able to achieve what she needed, right? So what I am telling, if you want very different course which only Praveen can give you, no other mentor can give it, this is 100% sure, because your mentor has cracked which companies, guys? Your mentor has cracked Adobe, your mentor has cracked Walmart, your mentor has cracked Amazon, your mentor has cracked Rubrik, all those top product-based companies which you see. I have cracked, see guys, Adobe, Rubrik, Zeta, Zoom, and many more companies. And if anyone wants to see my offer letters, they can click on this link and watch it, right? So you are learning from a mentor who has grabbed all the offers from this company. So I know what you have to do to achieve a job. At the end, you all need a job. So guys, I will be very honest with you. Today will be the last day of this 70% off, and this price is going to be changed, because many people told, sir, Saturday evening tak rakhiye, Saturday evening you can keep it. So I have kept it. My team has decided to keep it. And what are you getting in this course, guys? 3 hours of session, live teaching weekday, and you see projects. Projects are tod-fod projects. Jenkins CICD pipeline, shared library, Docker Advanced, Kubernetes 3-tier, microservice deployment, Kubernetes Istio Kigali jaeger, monitoring, Python real-time monitoring, chatbot automation with Nodejs. You tell to your bot will respond to you. Shell scripting, real-time scenarios, individual Jira portal creation. We will create your own Jira portal. Like you see, singham.atlassian.net is my Jira project portal. So similarly, you will have your own Jira portal, and we will do shell automation on that. Kubernetes cluster monitoring, AWS architecture with Terraform creation, Python DJANGO deployment, Ansible automation, Red Hat Linux. This is going to be upgraded, and GitLab CI/CD pipeline. What tools are covered? What are the things? And guys, one more thing. We are also having success stories. Now you see, my student got placed in Walmart. Are you seeing here? I have taken the picture from him. Gopinath, talk to the students. Who is stopping you? Talk to this student. And guys, one more thing. I have only 10 seats left for this price, and our team can go at 4750. 10 seats left. You can watch demo session. You can book your seat, and 10 seats left. If anyone is interested with the power I deliver, with the knowledge I put in, you can register yourself here. I have put the URL on the screen. Just type on the website, and you can be the part of amazing 2 months journey with me. This is going to be awesome journey, because my students have cracked only product-based companies. I only target product-based companies. If you're a fresher, if you see here, beginner-friendly course for fresher, IT, non-IT, experienced people, anyone can watch this. Okay. Now 10 seats with this price we are going to give. and from you see like 8 a.m. or 8 p.m. this price will be changed. 100% sure we are telling, because seats are getting filled fast. The price is going to be changed from here on. There is no 70% discount on the course. If anyone is interested, you can enroll. Check all the details, course content, what you get, week wise module. You see week 1, week 2, week 3, whatever companies I have cracked, I have put everything. And if you see the home, see these are the students who have got placed in here. IBM, DXC, Dell, Flipkart, Amazon, Walmart, all the companies, right? Visa, what not, all the companies are here. Mercedes Benz, if you see one more girl, right? Mercedes Benz, you see, where is Mercedes Benz? Mercedes Benz, see Mercedes Benz, see Mercedes Benz. And you see this one, Rashmi Kumari, right? And you see this one, fresher is getting junior DevOps engineer. Sai Krishna is telling 20 LPA in the direct class, right? And you see many other offers. See Venkatesh Vai, talk with these students. Who is stopping you? He got placed in Singapore with two what offers, right? And people are very much happy to learn, right? See, crack job in USA, right? Very much things are there. Yogesh got 400% hike. So guys, last 10 seats left. If you are enrolling now, you will be with me, and after this 10 seats over, you will not see this price. This is my guarantee. After today's class, the price is going to be changed. Okay, if anyone is interested, last 10 seats left. If anyone is interested, please enroll and ask your questions. I'll be happy to support, and then we will move forward with the shell automations and Python automations. So guys, anyone who is interested, please tell, please let us know. Yes, Abhishek, yes, definitely. It's kind of a batch 5.0 which I am starting, and whatever I have achieved, you should be achieving that. So that is why beneficial, 100%. Mamata, if you have any queries, talk with my previous batch students. Go to the previous batch students, you can talk, and then only you can enroll. This course is designed by me, specifically by me. No other mentor will teach you. Prime batch 5.0 is targeting more jobs. The target for this batch is 40 LPA, right? Highest till now we have got 36 LPA, which is placed in the website. But if you give me your hand, I have cracked Informatica, EPAM, SAP, Amazon, Microsoft, Walmart, and I am working with Walmart, right? And I have started my own organization, right? And whatever you see the projects, those are Walmart projects only. The chatbot automation, the CICD projects, everything is based on Walmart projects only. Okay, clear everyone? Guys, are you clear? Yes. Okay, guys, clear everyone? Last 6 enrollments we are waiting for. If anyone is interested, you can do the last 6 enrollments are there. We'll be waiting for last 6 enrollments. Okay, last 6 enrollments with this. Batch is starting with, all of you see, batch is starting from 4th November. Just 2 weeks left, guys. Batch is starting from 4th November. 3 months you will be with me. Live Saturday and Sunday classes, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. IST, 8 p.m. IST, Wednesday and Thursday classes, 3+ hours of live teaching. Class recordings are provided if you missed the class. Validity of course is 2 years. Programming language used is purely Python, and no prerequisites, beginner friendly. What you will get, you can check week 1, week 2, week 3. 6 registrations left. I'm waiting. Okay, great, Swapna. Right, great. Yes, great. Great. So Divine, one more thing I would like to tell you. If we are not fast, how will you cope up with the world which is fast moving? Guys, all of you see here, interview questions, right? Interview questions and everything is there. Okay. So you see, I will share my interview questions which I have cracked in the last 2 months. Bonus session, mock interviews are there. Interview questions will be shared and feedback will be given to you. Okay. And week 8, week 7, week 6, all are important classes. I would request everyone, those who are with me. Okay. Last 5, Sneha Priya also enrolled. Okay. I can see Sneha Priya also enrolled. Yes, definitely, Swapna, you can enroll here. Yes, Sujata, can you tell you are from batch 4? Anyone from batch 4, guys? You can put the message in the chat. Anyone from batch 4? I see Sujata is there. Anyone? I really needed questions, Praveen. Definitely, guys. I have cracked all the companies, and yes, Siddhartha is from batch 4. Anyone else? Anyone else from batch 4? Okay, Stephen is from batch 4. Anyone else? Right? So batch 4 students are also with me. Ankita, great. So guys, see, everyone is with me. All right. Only thing is, yes, Reena Lata is also from batch 4. Okay. So people are there. Why people will join? Okay. So all of the people are knowing that what they have to do, right? And if anyone is there, last 4 seats left, guys. I'm waiting for last 4 seats, right? Okay, you have joined, great. Okay, Dhiru is also there. Last 4 seats left. www.heydevops.in. Great. Sure. Right. Okay, Sujata is also there, batch 4. Yes, I know. Yeah. So guys, last 4 seats left. Yes, anyone who is interested can opt for this, right? Last 4 seats left. We are waiting for last 4 people. Last 4 people, we are waiting. If anyone is there, you can join. Definitely, you can be the part of this amazing batch. Prime batch 5.0, right? Last 4 seats, guys, with this price, 70% discount on this price we are talking about. Okay, last 4 seats left. If you are with me, last 4 seats, guys, last 4 seats, the ability that I have cracked this many companies, no mentor has cracked in the circle. If you know any mentor who has cracked, see guys, when I am tagging a company, the HR of the company will also see. So I don't tell lie. Okay, you see, these are site reliability engineering roles in Adobe, right? And I have applied to all the companies and I was able to crack, right? And when I am tagging a company, the company HRs will know, right? They will know that, okay, Praveen is there, right? If he's telling lie, then people will understand, right? They will ask me, right? If I am telling lie, they will ask me, right? They will scrutinize me, but I am not telling lie because I have cracked 10 job offers in last 2 months. All the offer letters are with me. In last 2 months, I have cracked this. But before 1 year, I have cracked 25 companies. Paytm, SAP, Informatica, EPAM, Airtel, what not, guys. All the offer letters are with me. And those interview questions are also there. Last 4 seats left, guys. If you all are with me, I will definitely help you to change your career, to change your way of thinking, how you can sit confidently and talk with the interview, right? That is what we need, right? That is what we need, right? That is what we need at the end. How you can crack this many companies? You need to have a best mentor who can give you this. You need to have the greatest of greatest questions which you need to clear. And obviously, you need to put your efforts also, right? Everyone. Correct, right? That's how we grow, right? Last 3 seats left, guys. I'm again telling, I will wait for last 2 minutes. 5:27 time is. By 5:30 we will start our class back. I'm waiting for last 3 people to enroll. Yes, guys, Sujata. Okay, Sujata is telling AWS also they will teach. Great. Yes, Sujata. Okay, last 3 seats left. Last 3 seats left. And the mentor who has cracked. You want to see my offer letters? All of you, I can show you my offer letters also. So see, okay, this is the live going on. I have shared here the offers which I got from all the companies in the last video I have put in. So let me show you that slide here. If you don't believe it, I tell lie to anyone. Not, I don't want to tell lie also. So see my offer letters, all of you. Okay, see guys. Okay, where is that screen? Okay, in this video, somewhere it should be offer letter. And all those companies are biggest and greatest of the companies which I have cracked. Okay, where is that? Okay, इतना दूर तो नहीं था. So you see, guys, completed. Congratulations, Praveen Singampalli. You got an offer from EPAM. Congratulations. We are proud of you. Zeta, Adobe. Adobe also, I will show you. This guy, where is this Adobe coming? All of you see Adobe. See, I hope you are doing great week. My name is this, and I am Senior Talent Acquisition Partner from Adobe Bangalore. Couldn't help but your notice you are an SRE engineer, right? So that is how my Adobe journey started, by the way, right? Clear, everyone? So last 2 seats, guys. Last 2 seats left. Last 2 seats left. Great. People on LinkedIn, you all know that I have already shared all the things, right, with you all, and interview questions will also be shared. Last 2 minutes left to enroll at this price, and last 2 seats left. Last 2 seats left, and I will start the class. Last 2 seats left. If anyone is interested, they can definitely enroll. Last 2 seats left, guys. Last 2 seats left. If you are with me, I can change your career. And you know, many freshers have got jobs in 4.0. Like one person got placed in Zoho, Visa anyway, senior experienced person only, and JP Morgan and Chase, and your Geo Reliance Digital. One more company I am thinking, Avalara, Deloitte. Okay, so these placements we have done till now, and still many students have to crack. Okay. Last 1 seat left, guys. The time is also 5:30. I am waiting for last 1 person to enroll our prime batch 5.0. Once I get the registration, we are good, guys. We are good. The price is now 70% discount. 1 last seat left. You are getting, see, guys, projects, 12 plus real-time projects. Chatbot I have developed in Walmart. I got the award also for this. Okay. Clear, everyone? That project I have kept for you. Right, and all the projects are here and there from Verizon. I have taken and I have kept it. Clear, everyone? Guys, clear? Great. Praveen, great. You have enrolled. Definitely, guys, you can definitely. And Sujata is telling rock, good job and package, right? Yes, sure, Raju. Thank you. Yes, 1 last seat left for this price. Who want to be that 1%? Guys, 1 last seat left. Anyone who is enrolling in the middle, let me know. We will wait for 1 more minute and we will start the class. 1 last seat left. Guys, 1 last seat left. And people on LinkedIn, if you are not able to see, I can post this link of the Hey DevOps on the LinkedIn Live also. You all can see my my website. If you are interested, if you believe me, then only you can enroll, right? So I can give in this comment section. You can watch it with your own interest. Yeah, so this is the, yeah, I have shared the company website here. You can see here I have given a company website, www.heydevops.in/course details. Okay, clear, everyone? Okay, 1 last registration, guys. 1 last registration. Yes, the payment options from Pakistan, Canada, India, all over the world are there. Okay, guys, 1 last registration. Okay, still I am waiting for 1 last seat. In USA, it will be little bit price high because we need to maintain the website with USA servers, US West 2. So our website is running on US West 2 for USA people, right? And because the cost at different regions, the server change, size of the servers change, we have made little bit tweak on the cost, right? So if you are interested, you can join, right? Who is that? Amidimila, right? If I'm spelling your things wrong, so that's fine. Okay, let's start the class. That's fine. Who can be the lucky person? They can start. Okay, all of you see here, shell scripting automation TCP read count. All of you see here, very important. So let's complete this. We'll close everything. Okay, shell. Okay, all of you are able to see and hear me? Yes, no? All of you are able to see and hear me, guys? Bye, look. हो आप लोग, मतलब देख पा रहे हो मेरे को? Yes, no? 86 people are watching live. Yes, no? Guys? Yes. Okay. Now, yes. Okay. Okay. So let me present my screen. Let's go ahead and complete entire things. What is saved for you? Very important things are there. Now, disk utilization is done. List operations we will see. Monitoring TCP count. All of you see very small code I have kept it. So let's do this. US West 2. We will go. Okay. Sudo su. Clear the screen. Okay. vim count.sh. Okay. Shift I, place it here. All of you see here what we are trying to do. Let me take this and tell you what it is doing basically. This command only. Okay. All of you see here. Now I will divide each of the command. Okay. First I will take this one /bin /netstat -nt. All of you see here. How many protocols are there, guys? How many protocols are there with TCP? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are there, yes or no? Yes or no, guys? 4 are there, yes or no? Everyone, yes? 4 TCP counts are there, right? So after that, what I'm doing? Tail, when I'm, okay, I will write here for your understanding. Copy this, write in the notes, okay? All of you see here, this is the software which will help. Software helps us with protocols on Linux. ठीक है, तो यहां पे क्या आया? TCP. So what I am doing, tail -n last 3. So tail, heads and tail. A coin has a heads and tail. Heads is up and tails is back, right? So what I am doing, tail number of lines +3. So let's see what you are doing with this. Okay, not this. Let me copy from here. So all of you see what it is doing. So tail -n from the last, right? From the, okay, from the first, take me the third data. Okay. So if you see tail -n +3, so it means 1, 2, 3. Okay, the 22 1, right? The 256, right? Like this. This is the third option which I'm taking out. So if I say tail +2, okay, what is this? +2 1 कौन सा आ रहा है? +2 +2 +2 0. Okay, TCP 00 172 31 182 22 13.52. Okay, why it is giving for +2 also? Okay, let me do one thing. Tail -n 3. Let's see what it is coming. 3 is coming this, and 4 is coming. It will not come. Okay, 4 is, why everything is coming like this? Okay, let's see one more time. Any idea? Okay, let's see the chat. Okay, 1 second. Let's debug that. Tail -n +3. Okay, it is giving one data only. But when I take out this, oh shit. Okay, guys, all of you see, as of now, only one process is running. That is why it is giving 1 for everything. Okay, as of now, only one process is running, guys. That is why it is giving 1 only. Now it is running 3. Sometimes it is running 3. Sometimes it is running 4. Sometimes it is running 1. Clear, everyone? So that is why the issue is coming. So that's fine. Our code is correct only. Okay. So now what we will do, all of you see here. Now I am storing here WC-L is the count of the output. Okay. So let's see. Echo $C. Count of the output. Whatever you see here, established, okay, grep established. What we are trying to do, simply I will tell you. Software, we have taken the third number. From there, I am grepping the established word. And the number of established word, I am taking the count. It will give count. If the number of established here is 3, it will give here 3. The number of established is 1. That is why it is giving 1 here. Clear, everyone? So see, if I run again, it is giving 1. Okay, so what it is doing simply is, it is trying to give me some data. So let's run it on the screen. vim date.sh or tcp.sh. Okay, not this. vim tcp test.sh. Okay, Shift I, Control V. All of you see here what we are trying to do. chmod, our ritual we will follow, plus x tcp test.sh and /tcp test.sh. Now in this, the beauty is the output which is given, right, is $C, $D and $T. Now all of you see here, when you want to format the date format, all of you see, this is the date. So if I type date, what is the output I'm getting? Saturday, October 21 with timestamp and the year. Suppose I do this, what I'm doing now, I'm only asking for it to give the month and the date. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Guys, the month and the date I am extracting from the whole data. If I type here %y, okay, it should give me the year also, 23. Guys, clear, everyone? Guys, clear? Clear? Are you able to understand what we are talking? Yes? Great. Now you see, once we have done this, okay, 10, 21, 23, correct, date is done. So the next step is what? Now, time also it is taking out. Okay, from date, you format the dates like this, okay, according to your output, what your manager tells. The hours and minutes format also, okay. So this is done. So finally, what is the output with the TCP? /tcp test.sh is giving one count, the date, the month, the date, the 12 is the hour and the minutes. Okay? The formatting of the date is with these commands. Clear, everyone? Shall we move to the next shell script? Okay, logs. Let's check the logs, guys. Okay? Shall we check the logs now? Logs data. Shall we automate the logs data here? Yes. Now, all of you see here, this code I will break down again into the smaller chunks. All of you see here. Now, all of you see here, bin bash, this already you know. F equal to, what we are doing? Assigning a variable assignment. Correct, na? This is variable assignment, correct? Everyone? Now, if condition, you know, if, till now what you have seen, if the value is greater than, less than, equals, right? But you see, there are many functions in the if condition also. If, F is basically to check if the file is present or not. When you see if not equal to -f, the file name. Okay, I will write it clear. Okay, I will write it here. Okay, if not equal to -f, the file name. So what does this mean? All of you write down in your notebook. If not equal, okay, -f is file check, okay, and file name. So basically, if the file is not present, what you need to do? Clear, everyone? Guys, clear? All of you clear? If the file is not present, what you need to do. That is simple. Okay. Now, once this is done, what is the next step, guys? If the file is not present, then echo file does not exist. Are you clear? Are you clear? If the file is not present, then file is not existing U12. If the file is present, what you need to do, let's see. Now, all of you see here, there is some commands which I will execute now one by one. Important commands I will execute on the screen. So all of you see, du-b$f. Okay. So now, can we do one thing, guys? I will create connections data. Already I have created a test file. All of you see here, ls. Are you seeing the connections data file? If I cat this connections data file, what do you see? All the dummy data. Okay. Now I'll clear the screen. What I am doing now, I will execute one by one. Now all of you see, I am assigning this a variable f equal to. भाई लोग बहन लोग समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं पहले बताओ यार. If I am satisfied, I will move forward. Are you understanding? Where are you all? Are you understanding? Please be genuine. People on LinkedIn, are you understanding? Yes, no? Clear? Yes? Clear? Mandar, there are many automations. Depending on your project, you get it daily. Okay? Great. Samaya? Great. Now let's see all of you. What I am trying to do here, I have assigned f equal to. Okay, what is the next command? I will do this. Okay, du-b $. Okay, what it is giving, let's see. Okay, all of you see here, du-b $f is giving me the size of the file and the location of the file. So you see ls-lrta. Okay, what is the size of the file? All of you guys, what is the size of the file? Everyone, what is the size of the file? Yeah, correct. What is the size of the file? 289, and the location also we are getting. Okay, so with this script du-b, we are getting the location on the file name. And what we are doing, all of you see here, we are doing some automation. Trim and cut is also important. Okay, now trim, what are you doing here? Let's see. Okay, let me close this. All of you see here, now there is a space between this. Yes or no? Guys, all of you, are you understanding? I got this output from this, but I want only this. I want to keep no space here. Yes or no? Yes or no? Right? Yes or no? I don't want to keep any space. So what I am doing now, the very next step is I am trimming the data. So when you use trim, tr is trim, substitute, s is substitute, hyphen t is tab. Okay, what you are substituting? The space with a space again. Okay, now you see what is the output. Now if you see here, is the space reduced? Yes or no? Guys, yes or no? Guys, are you seeing yes or no? The space is reduced from this to this. Yes or no? Trimming. So we are trimming. Correct? Yes. So we have done the trim. Now I will apply the last option also. Cut. Cut is again an important what you call Linux command, which will cut the output. Now you see what I am doing. I am using the delimiter. D is the delimiter. Okay, I will tell you here. All of you see here, beautiful guys. Very, very promisely, I am telling everything is one line which you need to keep in your resume. Okay? Cut hyphen D is delimiter. Okay, delimiter and space. So what we are doing, 289 has a space with the file location, right? So this space we are trimming. Okay, space we are trimming. And once you use the cut, the option to format the first value is with F1. So what is the syntax here? All of you see, cut hyphen delimiter space hyphen F1. So here you see the beauty is, suppose I type F2 here, what is the value I will get it? Second value. Are you understanding, guys? Are you understanding? Are you understanding? Yes? Guys, please give a yes or no. Great. Nice. Great. Clear, everyone? Nice. All of you see here. Now, once you have done this, okay, let's complete that complete automation. All of you see what we are trying to do. If the file is not present, then you tell like this. So let's do this automation first in the part 1. vim space dot sh shift I will change. Okay, all of you see here. vim test r.sh shift I. So once you have done this, let's do this thing. Okay, I will remove the connections data dot file. rm-rf connections data dot file. So let's see what we are trying to do. /test what is that? tr. Okay, test r.sh. Okay, first you need to give the chmod, right? chmod plus x. Okay, test r.sh. Okay, now you execute it. Test r.sh. Now all of you see what is the output I got. The file doesn't exist, guys. The file is not existing. Clear, everyone? The file is not existing, right? Understood, everyone? Great. Nice. Now once you see here, once you see this is the command, this till here we have used. Now you see, let me use this also. Now just simple things only. Okay, I will explain what we are trying to do here. We are setting a max size of 4 GB here. Okay, 4096 into 1024 is 4 GB. Okay. Now what we are trying to do, size. So here the size is 289 KB, right? Now if size is greater than max size, then what you do, you move the file to the different file. Okay, that is what we are trying to do. Very simple as that. We will not do this automation because time is already 5:52. But I would like to tell you, if the size 289 is greater than 4 GB, then only it will come to the loop. But because the size is 289 here 4 GB, it will not come inside the loop. Clear, everyone? Very simple. tr, where is the tr, people? Okay, tr, why it is required, I have shown you, right? So let me show you again. All of you see, someone is asking, very important thing. Okay, what is that? Okay, file is not there. Okay. vim okay, now you see why it is giving f1 -b $f. Oh, okay, the connections dot data is not having any values, right? So shift I will write something. Okay, I will make a little bit of size here. Yeah, so all of you see now 50. Now you see, if I'm not giving the trim, what is the output? See, okay, sorry. All of you see here, I will explain one more time. The space between 50 and this is this much large. Okay, suppose I give here trim, the space between this and this is only one line, only one space. Clear, everyone? Clear? Now we will move to the Python automation. Very important, guys. Okay, now all of you see, I will show you one Python automation with REST API, not this one. Okay, all of you see, Okay. Python functions I will show you once. Okay, all of you see here. For Python, you need to use Visual Studio. All of you clear? But for Python to run it, you need to use a IDE. Okay, so all of you see, I will select the language here, Python. Okay, and I will save it. Now, all of you see here, how many of you understood about the shell functions? You all understood shell functions? Similarly, Python has the functions, Python functions. Okay. Now, when you see here, see guys, this is a function, but in order to write the Python function, you need to write def. Okay. So let's think like this, def. Okay, def. I will write like hello function and a brace and this print data. Okay, like this. This is one function. Okay, I will save the file like functions.py. Okay, this is one function. So similarly, the syntax of the function in Python is like that. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Yes, guys, clear? Now you see def function name, and what we are trying to do, we are importing a module in Python. So import gives various statements, like you want to use JSON, you do a import. If you want to use import maybe like system functions, you can use like this. If you want to import panda, okay, you can use this. If you want to import something like maybe math functions, you can use this, right? But because in my class I am using only request, what this request will do now, whenever you want to hit some endpoint, see guys, this is the endpoint. Okay, let me open in the browser, you will see what it is. All of you see there is a JSON data, right? Some ID, email, first name, last name, and some avatars are there, right? So what we are trying to do, all of you see here, we are running the Python code. So what I'm doing, request.get, great, request.get, hit the URL, and if the response is 200, proceed forward. And what you do, loop over each data. So I told you, right, the response which we are getting here is what, guys? This data. The response at this step is the data which I am showing here. So what I am doing, each ID, see ID 7, ID 8, ID 9, ID 10, 11, 12 is one data. ID 1 is one loop till here. If you see JSON, right? ID 2, ID 3, like this, it's a JSON data. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to loop over each data and each record is coming. So let's think like this. Here the record is coming like this. So guys, this is the record which is coming here. Clear, everyone? This is the record which is coming here. And you see, if record of ID, now ID means what? This one is 7, correct? If record of ID is 7, then you take the, and if record of first name is Michael, okay? Okay, if record of first name is Michael, then print data matched. Clear? Guys, are you clear what we are trying to do? Yes, I will do that. Yeah. Are you clear? Yes, no. Guys, yes, no. Clear? There is one more REST endpoint, but okay, I will just show you this first. If you want to run any function, you need to call like this. So let me first run the first function. Why it is giving this error? Yeah. So you see, all of you see, first I will execute this. Let's see, open terminal. So what is my Python? Python 3. Okay, it is there in the. I will go to that folder, cd documents, batch 4. Okay, and Python 3 functions.py. Okay, now you see data is matched. Yes or no? How many are seeing data matched? Yes. Okay, guys, I will share the GitHub link at the end of the class. So please wait. Okay. Now you see data is matched. Suppose I change the ID here 100. Okay. Now what I will get, you see, I will not get anything. No output because it is not coming inside this loop itself. Clear, everyone? So now let's test this also. Okay. Python 3. What is that? Test API. Test underscore API. Okay. Sorry, not this. Functions. Okay. Are you seeing something? I am sending the data. Here I have used get URL, get method. So let me show you. All of you see here. Here you see request.get and here you see post. So in a URL formation, you have get, put, post, delete, right? So here I am getting the data from URL. Here I am sending this data to this URL and getting the data. Suppose all of you see here, if I am posting here, let's take like course hello. Okay. Now let's see the output of this data. Clear the screen. Now you see hello course hello. Are you able to understand? Yes, guys, clear? Yes, else data also I can add it, but I didn't add it. Okay, so one last operations we will do now. This is one more operation. Okay, all of you see here, this is one more operation. Okay, not this one. We will do maybe Python list operations. This is a little bit important. Okay, Python list operations is a little bit important. You need to know. One is REST API automation. The other one is Python REST API. Python list. All of you see, I will remove everything. Very simple code. Okay, now let me copy this. Okay, all of you see here, what we are having in Python, we are assuming this. Okay, so guys, those who are on YouTube, please like the YouTube video, guys. 100 likes कर दो यार at least. क्यों likes करने में क्या है मतलब? What? Nothing, right? मतलब you also feel happy, I also feel happy. ठीक है, 80 people are watching. Please make it 100 likes यार. Please कर दो. I will be in the live only. Please कर दो यार. 88 likes here. मतलब likes 100 नहीं हुआ तो मेरे को दुख होगा फिर. कर दो. Everyone please like the video यार. यहाँ like नहीं. You have to do on the video like. मतलब जहाँ पे आपको और यार when the session is completed, at least put some comments ना. Like once the session live is completed, right? You can put some comments. How was the session or what you have liked? Have you learned something? Because that gives me the motivation, right? So see, and people also see that. If you see here, as of now, how many likes are there? 97. Okay. Now you come here and do some comment on this video, so that public comment, so that people see on the down, right? So that people understand कि कुछ अच्छा हुआ है यहाँ पे. ठीक है. You are not commenting. You are if you learned new, then only comment it. No issues. ठीक है, guys, and do share the channel link, please. That will really help. ठीक है. How many people? Okay, one more vote. Okay, so much love. Okay, so much love is coming. Okay, great. Let's do that. And please comment once the live is ended, then you can comment it. Okay. Now all of you see here, one last automation we will do. Okay, this is list of values. Okay, now printing original list 1, new list. What we are trying to do is we are trying to reverse the string, reverse the list. Okay, reverse the list. Okay, now once you reverse the list, now for loop in Python is important. For I in list 1, okay, each item will come and you see I am adding it into the new list, empty list. Okay, every item is coming here and insert. What we are trying to do, from back the item you added. Okay, and you see the output is very beautiful. I will show you. Okay, what is the reverse order list, guys? List operations are very much important because that will really help you in understanding the things. Clear, everyone? Clear? Now, good. Now, all of you need to understand this entire presentation. Okay, where is that presentation? My presentation. Okay, all of you wait. Okay, this entire presentation of every data, every URL, and additional one task will be there for you to complete, right? Okay, so that will be shared, and where it will be shared? It will be shared in the community page, guys. So you all should be aware that our Hey DevOps has a free community page. This is free for everyone. Now you see, everyone is asking questions. Anyone from testing background, see, don't overwhelm to learn Git. Git is too much to know. See, someone is sharing some commands, right? So we have designed, so see, implementation of 3-tier architecture. So basically, some person has shared, 𝐷𝐻𝐻𝐿 has shared all the things which he has done from the first project which I have teached. Hi Praveen, what are the project? Okay, this anyway, someone has replied. Jenkins cheat sheet someone is sharing, and some, see, as a DevOps engineer, ideally you should have the knowledge. Nagateja is telling, see, Linux administration, and everyone is liking, guys. Okay, so if anyone wants to be the part of this, and all the documents are here, if you come down, see, many people are sharing things, and I'm giving votes also, see. And leaderboard, okay, Siddharth is the first person. So Siddharth, congratulations, Siddhartha party, because you are, and you earned some coins also, Hey DevOps coins. So you see, he has created his profile and he has given his resume and he has told that you can follow. So it's basically a platform where you can comment and ask. Okay, ask anything. Amulya, open comment will be available once you are once this live is ended. Okay, like this it will be for every video. You are seeing this comment like this, na? See, if I go into video, if you see the last live video, okay, yeah, like this it will be available. Okay, after the live you can do it. Clear? Yeah. So what I was telling, so all of you can join here. It is completely free for you. The document will be rolled out here. Okay, everyone, this is completely free for you. You can enroll. Okay. So as I said, its time is 6:08. Yeah, the time is 6:08. A good time. I hope you have learned so many things, right? Everyone learned something, right? Please comment down. And okay, okay. And one more thing. Anyone wants to talk with me? And guys, okay, 1 second. Okay, troubleshooting, I have done little bit only, every step by step. Okay, actual troubleshooting of Linux we have done. Not other scenarios I was not able to cover. I thought like Kubernetes also we will do. It's almost 2 hours now, right? But we will do in the next class. That's completely fine. Okay. Now all of you see here. Okay, you all have registered. Now those who have registered, for them I am telling, okay, what are the steps you need to be following, okay, going ahead. Okay, all of you are seeing the screen. Okay, now those who have registered, for them, okay, you need to come and log in with your number. Okay, only number can be asked for the login. Okay, I will not log in now. It will be asking you the login number because I have already logged in. It is taking me to the login page. I will only ask, it will only ask for you the phone number, right? Now you see here, once you log in, you will see various kinds of side URLs. Okay, side URLs in the sense community page, login page, and you will see some other things also, which are very much important for you, right? Now, once you see that, you have to click on your purchased course and you can see view course. Once you view your course, there will be various modules on your screen, correct? Now, those who have enrolled, can you tell me, are you able to see? Yes, correct. You are able to see? right, everyone? Yes, guys, are you able to see? Yes, you are able to see, right? Now, once you log in, you will see all the modules wise details and data here, right? Everyone is able to see. And one more thing, guys, right? I have a free webinar, okay, which is starting here. If anyone wants to enroll for this, where I'll be sharing my interview experience, interview questions, and some kind of data, some kind of coding questions, lead code questions, and everything. If anyone wants to be this part where we'll discuss most of the interview questions, you can join my free masterclass also, right, on Monday 8 p.m. and share this link with your friends if anyone is interested. This will be on this website because I wanted you all to know how the website flow is, right? I wanted to make you all understand how this website flow is going forward, right? You need to understand, right, before November 4th, right? So this is the free masterclass where I will show you one of my offer letter and few of my student offer letters also I will show you. Clear, everyone? Guys, clear? If you are joining this free masterclass, you will see one offer letter from my student and mine also. Okay, everyone, that gives you the confidence to crack your companies going ahead. Clear, everyone? So guys, those who are interested, just click on www.hdevOps.in and go to courses. You will see upcoming live course. You will see free masterclass. And once you click on view masterclass, everything is free. Click here to book your spot. Okay, once you click here, the webinar of the Zoom will be flashed. Give your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and register. That's it. Very simple things. Clear? Everyone clear? Guys, समझ में आया? ठीक है? Anyone wants to talk with me? I'm sharing this. Okay, all of you, anyone registered for this? Everything is flow is working fine, right, for the free class? Because it's a new website, little bit glitches will be there, but yeah. Okay, guys, is it working fine? Were you able to register for this free masterclass? Guys, were you able to register for the free masterclass? Anyone who did? The flow is good? Anyone registered? Is the flow good? No? Yes? Guys? Okay, great. Amulya is registered. Okay, flow is good, na? You were able to register. Anyone else? At least 5, 6, yes. Anyone? Have you registered? Able to register or understanding the things? Good? Okay, flow is good. Great. Okay. Now, anyone wants to talk with me? I will share the link. Okay. You can join. And one more thing, guys. One last seat is left. Okay. Still, we are waiting for one last seat to get completed. If anyone is interested, you can just book your seat at this cost. One last seat left, and probably after today, the price will be again increased. Okay, great. Okay, Vankipuram. Okay, Niharika is telling she has done with free masterclass mentor. Great. Okay. If anyone is interested, you can join www.hdevOps.in. The community page is free. All the documents are rolled out there and you can register. Now, one last seat I am waiting. Once I get that registration, meanwhile, I will drink some water. Okay. If anyone is interested, you can. Okay. Both the bottles are empty. That's fine. I'm interested, Veera. Definitely, Veera. One last seat with this price is left. You can join this batch. Okay. Prime batch 5.0. You can join and. Okay, Swapna, what is error you are getting? Can you let me know? In the LinkedIn, let's see what is the issue people are facing. Okay. Okay, guys, all of you see, I have shared the link of the course in the LinkedIn also. You can enroll from there if you are interested. Okay. And okay. Okay. Yes. Another 5 minutes, we will close the session. And I'm waiting for a few more, one last registration. Okay. Who is that? Swapna. Okay. Interested, Veera? Definitely you can enroll. Okay. Swapna, what is the issue? Swapna, I think last time also she joined. Okay. That's fine. What error you are getting, if you can let me know, because it's a new website. Some errors, some mistakes will be there, which you have to tell me. Yes, Surender, basics to advanced we are going to cover. And projects are from Walmart, Verizon and previous companies. Okay? Clear? Clear, Surender? Okay, unmute me. Okay, I tried. Okay, 1 second, Swapna. Let's see, like if anyone is going to register. That one registration we will complete and then I will talk with you. Okay? Swapna, it's just straightforward. All of you see here, you go here, book your seat now. It will take you to the payment page, automatically applied. Enter your name, email address, phone number, and pay. That's it. Phone Pay, Google Pay, your credit cards, debit cards, all are accepted on this payment gateway page. Okay? Okay, one last registration. Payment failed. Okay. Just check with any other option, Swapna. Siddhartha, poll options are only for host. Okay? It's not for everyone on the community page. Clear? Okay. Anyone wants to talk with me? Okay. I have not shared the things. Okay. Invite. All of you can join here. People on LinkedIn can also join. Let me share on the LinkedIn page also. Another 5 minutes, we will close the live. Okay? Yeah. These are the, okay. This is the StreamYard link. Okay, Anu, great. So this is a StreamYard link which I have given. If anyone is interested, you can join. And this is the company website, adevops.in post details. You can enroll from here also, right? I have posted both the links in the LinkedIn and here also. Okay? Hina is telling, I just joined now. Can I enroll your course, but may not be able to join its live? Does it? Yes, recorded videos are also there, Hina. So if you see, right, see, course starts from 4th November, duration 2+ months, class schedule Saturday and Sunday. Recordings are provided with 2 years access, course validity 2 years. HD video recordings access are provided and beginner friendly. And what are the projects? All are real-time projects. You don't need to go anywhere. Okay? Clear? Okay, Sandeep wants to talk. Sandeep, go ahead.
Yeah, hi Praveen.
Sandeep, go ahead.
Thank you very much.
I have
Thank you
taken you
very
live.
much for today's session. I'm audible to
Why
you?
I'm not able to? Yes. Yes, I'm able.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So I believe I also requested for this cell scripting and automation. So I was really happy that you arranged this session, and I was really happy. I cannot tell you. I mean, Monday I don't know on support you saw my message or not, but on Monday I have one very important interview in one of the good company, and the lagging point is only this scripting part. Means I'm good with Ansible, good with Terraform and Kubernetes, Docker. On those parts, I'm very much okay, but the only missing thing is this scripting and automation. So, need your
Mhm.
feedback, how I can take. I mean, I know the basics, but when they give the scenario, there I do struggle. So,
Okay.
how can I cope up with these things?
See, I always tell my students two things. Okay. One thing is, when someone is giving you a task to do, right, you can do it in two things. One, make it simple when you are not knowing that. Let's take you take my interview,
Hmm.
and you ask me some question. Okay. How 10 offers I got, let me be very honest with you, only
Hmm.
because of my confidence. Sometimes the coding questions were on very high level, which I am also not able to solve. But at that
Hmm.
time, what I used to tell to the interviewer is like this. uh, okay, I used to tell, can I share my screen? Okay, I share my
Hmm.
screen, I write 50 to 60% of the code in this Visual Studio. This is my Visual Studio. And then I write the flow diagram for code. Now, how the flow diagram will come? Because you already have seen so many automations in this class, and going ahead also you will see, you know the answer, like, acha, theek hai, df-h, we will use it. So I will use like this, I will extract the data, and then I will send to the next method, right? When you show the confidence that you are good, then interviewer will take. But if you are stuck, if you are very lack of confidence, then it is not possible. So what I would suggest now, complete this automations by your own. Yes.
Yeah.
Then you will be able to get confidence. I would request you, this GitHub links and everything is rolled out in this community page of Hey DevOps, right? By 8 p.m. I will roll out, so you can be able to get it from
Sure.
there.
I'm waiting for that actually.
Sure,
To do
sure,
some
sure.
more practice. Yeah.
No problem. Thanks, and all the best for your Monday session. And do, if you get any offer, anyone, please update in the courses.heydevops.community page. Right, everyone is joining here and they are sharing all the things. If you are getting offer, please share it here. Like I got 10 offers, so I shared here. Right, you get offer, you share it. Okay?
Definitely, I'll do that. Let me crack it.
Great. All the best. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, Amulya, go ahead. Okay, who is that?
Hello?
Amulya? Yeah, Amulya, go ahead.
Yes, sir. So actually, I joined my other classes today. So it's in the same time, like your live classes and my other classes are also on.
Okay, what happened, Amulya? Okay, I lost Amulya. I'm not sure. She's not able to. All of you are able to hear me? Satish, you are able to hear?
Hello?
Okay, Amulya? Yeah,
Hello?
now you are good.
Yes, sir. So I have two of my, I have already enrolled in other class.
Okay.
And your class is also in the same timings. Like
Okay.
9 to 12 p.m. IST. So I just wanted to know that, do you have any new batches coming up in the future? I've seen that you also provide placement assistance, so it would be great if I could
So
get
all of
any
you,
information about your upcoming.
no, upcoming, see, very simple, I will tell you. I want, so till now, we have got from batch 4.0 36 LPA. Now, before New Year, I want it to be at least 40 LPA from next batch. Okay. Now, coming batches, I'm not sure, because I always set a benchmark. If I'm not achieving that, I'll be with that batch only providing additional sessions or going ahead. Like batch 3 got 30 LPA, batch 4 got 36. Batch 5, if they are giving me 40 LPA, then I will be standing with that and I will be creating a new batch. If they are not giving, I'll be taking like few additional classes and going ahead and taking all those additional efforts. Because if I show the results on my website, then only people understand how we are working together with the students, right? All the success stories, all the placements you see, like the companies like Walmart or any other company, if you see Mercedes-Benz, or you see Cummins USA, right? So all the companies, whatever the students have got, they have got with mutual work, right? And not because of like they are only working, I'm not working, right? So I'm not sure about the next batch, but if you have the ability to join few of the classes, at least first few classes, then it will be good, because we have all the projects. If you see the lined up projects, and to be honest, these projects I have done in Walmart, so that projects only I have kept for you to understand. And this projects are already getting upgraded. This few things I will change it here going ahead. As of now, I have kept the same, but going ahead, here you will see one additional project we have kept as an optional one, which is Kubernetes Istio Kigali jaeger monitoring, which is very much important. And few other projects will also get optional added here. So it's up to the students what they want from this, what they don't want. So like that, I am adding a few more, one more line will be coming in here, right? So and recordings are always there. If you are missing those recordings, classes, live classes, you can join the recordings. Okay.
Sure. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
No problem. Thank you, Amulya. Okay, Satish and Oladil. Okay, go ahead. Oladil, here.
Hello.
Yes. How are you?
I'm well. How are you today?
Please come on live. Last time we are not able to talk.
Yeah. How are you? How are you? Okay. All
I'm
right.
good.
Good.
I'm
Good.
good.
Okay. All right. Good. I enrolled the 5.0. I'm from
Great.
Nigeria.
Great.
I am from Nigeria, and I also have about 3 of my friends. One will be joining on Monday, so
Yeah.
2 days from now. So, and I have 2 as well. They are on live from YouTube. So I just want to have, I want to share like different processes right in DevOps. I'm a Cisco person. My background is Cisco, Cisco data center,
And
yeah.
understood.
So now coming to development, I need to, I just want to have the clarifications that, the development, like the functions and all the syntax for development, I can able to get it, coming from infrastructure side right to development. You need to know some things like APIs. You understand stuff like that. So I want to have the reassurance when I joined last week that when the class starts by November 4th, I'll have those clarifications, and then I can I can take the project very well. And also Visual Studio Code, to set it up, and the version control system as well, GitHub and the Visual Studio Code and all that. So I want to, I really want to, like, it's not like this right in Cisco. Infrastructure is quite different from here.
Mhm. So
Yeah,
I, I
yeah,
I I will be very honest with you, Oladale.
yeah.
So the first week is completely system setup and your AWS account and fundamentals, where
Mm,
we will do your GitHub account setup, AWS account setup, GitLab setup, some of the commands which I'll be sharing, right?
mm,
So week one is completely on your system setup, because you are telling you are completely new to this background. So everything is running on the week zero. Starting from the week one, you will be getting the projects. Week zero, only your tool setup and the flow, and what are there, like you told, right? KPIs, or we talk in terms of your project terms, right? When
mm.
when we are getting the business, what are the things being a DevOps engineer, SRE
Okay.
engineer, so
Yeah,
those things we will be talking here, and some basics of Linux, Git,
yeah.
GitLab, all those things, and then we will move into the projects. Like week wise, it's completely run, and if, like, see, some students will be like in the first month only they will get offers, right? So
Okay.
that kind of people also will help with their interview questions, right? So they
Mm,
mail me, I share those also with the batches. So that's like a
mm,
mutual learning, and definitely you will get good things. That is
mm.
a good thing. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Thank
Okay.
thank you very much. And also I saw right from the first class, how the difference between a private cloud and a public cloud. Like you have in your company, you have a private cloud. Your organization have a private cloud, and a public cloud like Amazon.
Yes.
So I saw how you use the public cloud. When you launched your EC2, and it's just quite it's just quite good. So I hope to get the best right from November 4th.
Yes, you will
Yeah.
get more than what you are seeing here. All the projects will be different. That
Mm.
is entirely different course curriculum. That is based on my experience, my knowledge, and
Okay.
you will get different. That is
Okay.
completely different from these classes. And this
Okay.
class, if you join again, that will be like a pillar. Each week, you are creating a pillar for November 4th. Just assume like
Okay.
that.
Okay. All right.
Great. Okay. Thank you. Nice talking to
All
you.
right. Yeah.
Thank you. Nice.
Okay.
Nice. Yeah. So that was Satish. Any questions?
Hi Praveen, can you hear me?
Yes, I am able to hear you. Go ahead.
Yes, yeah. Yeah. Today, accidentally, I saw the notification and I was attending the class. And yeah, I'm from Belgium, and
Oh,
yes, I'm a tester, automation tester. So I want to know, like, in my career, how this course will help
okay.
if I
So
want to switch. Yeah, because
Satish,
uh, I saw in the website like it is for the web DevOps, sorry, DevOps and DevSecOps and developers like that. So for the testers, how it will use?
correct. So see, I was a testing engineer. Okay,
Okay.
I started career with Java and testing engineer, then moved into DBA, then moved into DevOps. Okay,
Okay.
and see, when you are a tester, you understand Java code, you understand Selenium framework, web framework, your various Cucumber BDD framework, your again regression testing, progression testing, integration testing, right, functional testing. All the things are part of DevOps only. Okay, so I never consider like testing is a different person or your DBA is different, because all the tools mix and match here and there goes. Okay, so what we will do is, if you have some years of experience, we will do this like 5+3, 2+3, 4+3 kind of experience, and we will make your tailor resume with the projects which you are learning in the batch 5, right?
Okay.
Great.
Yes. Also, yeah. The way you explain is very good, and yeah, I like it. And this is the personal question. Like, I am planning to travel India in between for the vacation for 1 month. So if I join the course, it will be in between. So I don't know how to tackle it. So, like you said, it will be only, your support is only for 3 months. So
No, it's not like support is only for 3 months. I showed you, right? That is why this app, I have gone with this app. Okay, you have the application also in Play Store. Okay, so you hit Play Store, you get my application, and you join this community page. See, there are many students who are helping each other, right? So there are some comments, there are some things which are liking. So community is always there to help, right? And I am also replying if someone is like behind, like, okay, Praveen, let me know what are these things, what are that things. We are going to help. Okay, so I think that should be not, I mean, that is not in a negative way. It should be in a positive way, because in the previous website, 4.0 doesn't got this. If you ask any of the students, even 4.0 students are there in life, no community page has been given to them. But here we have come up with this, because you all have to talk with each other, help each other. If no one is able to solve, I will be coming in, right? So if you see some leaderboards and everything is there, you will be loving this actually. Okay, so just explore, and if you're willing, you can take it. Okay.
Yes.
Great. Okay, thanks a lot, Satish. Yeah. Okay, so Francis, I will talk with you just 1 second. Okay, so guys, this is our course which is going to launch from November 4th, almost 2 weeks left, and very much beautifully designed with heartfelt knowledge kept in, right? For freshers, for experience, for DevOps learners, testers, engineers, DBAs, all the people can enroll, and you can see all the things. If anyone is interested, you can join. And also there is one free masterclass which we are conducting on this website. If you just come down, this is the free masterclass where you can enroll from your side. So this is the free masterclass. You can enroll. All the things are in the website. Once you log in with your username, phone number, you will get all your details. Okay, and once you click on your book slot, it will take you to the Zoom registration, and you can register yourself, right? Clear, everyone? And also you can join this free community page where all the what you call, like, all the documents, everything will be shared. Okay. Okay, you're Francis. I have taken you live. You can come. Okay, why he's on mute? Okay, Francis, I have unmuted you. Okay, can't mute. Okay, great. Go ahead.
No, okay, I've just joined your course. Okay, I'm coming from Singapore, and okay, I wanted to check with you if in the event, if some of the live session I'm not able to attend, will I be able to get hold of your video?
Yes.
For that session.
So yes, recordings are available, and if you see, everything is here, right? Class recordings provided, yes, with 2 years access. HD recording is provided with assignments, questions, quizzes, everything will be provided.
So when you are saying your assignment, will it be graded, or is there a timeline that we need to submit?
Sorry, I didn't get you. Can you repeat?
The assignment that you provided, will it be graded, or will there be also a timeline that by when we need to submit?
There is a timeline. See, what will happen, right? Every student cannot do assignment on a same day, right? So there is a timeline, and that timeline is again up to the student itself. We will validate all the assignments. Few of the assignments we will not validate. Few of the assignments which are important, we will validate and reply back to the student also. That facility is there.
Okay. One other last question. one
Yeah.
last question will be,
Sure, go
okay,
ahead.
I see that in your syllabus, you have quite a number of topics like Linux, Python, Kubernetes, GitLab, GitHub, and all these sort of things. Yeah. Okay. But if I'm only interested in some of it, okay, and I may not I'm not saying that I'm only interested in some of it. I mean I'm interested in all of it, but I may not be able to do every one of them. So
Yes.
what's your advice?
What is that last line? What is that?
What is your advice?
Oh, advice. Okay, got it. So my advice to Francis is at least go over the project documents which I'll be sharing. If you are not attending the class, go over the projects to get an idea like what are the things going on and what are the important concepts you want to take it. You can take it from the live classes.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah?
I have no other question. Yeah, thank you very much for your session today, and it's very valuable, and I've learned something today. Yeah, thank you very much.
Great. Definitely comment on the video after this live has been completed. Thanks a lot, Francis. Yeah. Okay, thank you. So yes, that was Francis, and very nice talking to everyone, guys. Right. So okay, one last person we will take it. Anu is waiting. I'm not sure. Okay, she has also left. That's fine. Okay, so thank you all for joining. We'll be seeing you all in the Prime Batch 5.0, a complete new website, new branding, new goodies, and so many things are lined up in this month. If you see the homepage, everything is cool. The students' placements testimonial is cool. And if anyone wants to register, you can register yourself, right? And definitely we will see in the coming classes. Okay, so you can tell your friends about this. And if you are liking, just enroll in the free course also. Not this one. Yeah, in the free masterclass, which is going in on this Monday, right? Where I'll be sharing all my interview questions, little bit here and there coding questions, little bit here and there experience, and little bit here and there offer letters. Okay, great. See you all in the next class. Take care. Bye. Good night and good evening. Good morning if anyone is there from USA. Okay, take care. Bye. This is Singham signing off. See you all in the next class, right? And yeah, definitely enroll for 5.0. Very hard work is getting put in this particular batch. So let's see if how it goes. Okay. So still one registration was pending. If anyone is interested, you can enroll for this price. And again, we are telling that this price is going to be increased by today sometime. Okay. Thank you all. Take care. Bye. Bye. Yeah. Okay. We'll listen some music. I'll put some music. Even I am just frustrated from morning, right? So let me put some music. You can drop off if you are not able to. Which song we will keep? I like this one. I like this one. Let's see if this sound you hear. Yes, Oladale, I will update. Able to hear, guys, this sound which is coming out from the system? Able to hear? Anyone? The price is this one, right? And if you want to see the demo session, if anyone wants to see the demo session, you can see and you can enroll. Oladale, I will update in the group. If there is a live session, I will update. Okay, thank you all. Take care. Bye. Yeah, I will leave the studio now. Take care. Bye. Yeah.